Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REAC. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Did this one a few days ago, and we also did the 60-minute time frame then. Real quick, if you're not familiar with charting, instead of each one of these bars representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 1 hour's worth of price action, or 60 minutes. So I want to just get this updated now as we go into the weekend. Had some questions and so forth on it, and not a whole lot of updates since the last video I did, but I do want to point out that it does look like things are starting to stabilize here, and now it's kind of just a waiting game. Kind of grab some popcorn and see what happens, see who's going to win out between this current battle of the Bulls versus the Bears. So before we even get to that, though, I do want to put that the overall context of the 60-minute is we are approaching a golden cross, and that just means when the 50 period simple moving average crosses up through the 200 period. That doesn't mean necessarily that it's going to explode, but it does give us a little picture of kind of the overall context. So when I talk about this channel, this is the reason why we'd have to give the edge to the bulls. But keep in mind, I'm saying edge, not guarantee to the bulls. There are no guarantees in the market if you were not aware of that. So this channel here that I'm talking about is, if we look back, you can see there's all sorts of price history, and I realize the price has dropped about here, or dropped below it a couple times, but I'm just kind of trying to find a middle ground, and we're going to call the bottom of this channel 0.014. So again, looking back through the history, you can see multiple times the price has bounced off it, a couple times dropped below it, a couple times hasn't quite hit it, so you get the point there. That's going to be the bottom of our channel. And then we have the top of our channel, and we're going to call that right up here at 0.021. So 0.021 is the top of this channel that the price is just bouncing around in. And again, I realize the price went above it a couple times, but then there's also a couple times where the price didn't quite hit it. So for the time being, this is all we have. Now, if you're a day trader and like to just bounce in and out of things, I'm sure you've been having a great time within this channel. But for the players that are looking at the overall chart and care about kind of maybe a longer term swing trade, or you just care about the long term chart, this is the channel that you're going to want to see it hold. But best case, obviously, you're going to want to see it break out of this channel. And like I said, I do give the edge to the bulls, just because we do have this upsloping 50 period simple moving average, and we're about to get the golden cross. But again, that doesn't mean a guarantee, but you do have to give the edge to the bulls. Now, on a breakout of this channel, the next area of resistance that really sticks out to me is not until way up here at, we'll call it 0.0285. So that would be the next level of resistance. And then that's followed by resistance is not up here until 0.035, 0.04 region. But one step at a time, let's first see who's going to win out in this current back and forth fight that's taken shape over the past couple of days. But all in all, nice looking chart. It's just kind of a pay-per-view battle right now, so grab the popcorn and let's see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down there and look at our video course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was REAC. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.